So you might be wondering, how does Investofy really work? I mean, how the alerts are sent and how can we buy a stock? So I'm just going to show you that right now. Let's get to it. So what you see here is basically this is how an alert is sent. It's telling you, hey, buy stock alert Calx at 36.41 or market price, whatever is better. Stop loss is at 28.5 and profit price is 45 or higher. And this is sent through the Remind app, which is a free app you can download. And that's where we send alerts to all of our subscribers, the paid subscribers, that is, and some free, sure. And once that happens, I just go to my webull account and I come to Calx. Now the current price of Calx is 36.42. So I'll be just like, yeah, I'll buy this on market price. I'll keep this as day. Let's just say I'll buy one because I'm not that rich. And then take profit, stop loss. So I know that my profit price is 45. But I'm just going to put 50 for now, and stop loss will be 28.5. And that's really it. And it tells you in the corner that the estimated loss and estimated profit is going to be, right? And that's as simple as Investofy is. We take out the pain from finding out what are the best stocks because we do all that research for you. We tell you what price to buy it on, what price to sell it on, and when to profit out of it. And it's all done in webull for you. So it's even easier than anything else. And then we just go ahead. Also, before we go ahead, one of the things you want to do is that this bottom time in force, you want to move that to good till canceled. So these are only going to cancel when you want them rather than at the end of the day. And we're just going to go ahead and buy it. And we are just going to make sure that the top one is day and the other two are good till canceled. And we're fine with the profit price of 50 with the stop loss of 28.5, and we place an order. And voila. And that's as simple as it is working with Investofy. So join today so that we take the pain out of your investing and opportunities for you. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and have a great day. Bye now.